subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung launched its new affordable 5G phone under F series in India called Galaxy F14. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Galaxy F14 5G features a tall 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 90Hz refresh rate support, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The phone comes powered by Exynos 1330 chipset, paired with Mali G68 MP2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 6GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Galaxy F14 5G supports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes one 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture along with a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 13MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery that supports 25W fast charging, and it runs on Android 13 out of the box with One UI Core 5.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 166.8 by 77.2 by 9.4mm, and it weighs around 205 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Galaxy F14 5G has been priced in India for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 12,990 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 14,490 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from March 30th in black, green, and purple color options. So what do you guys think of this Galaxy F14 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.